This video is titled "The Simulation Hypothesis is Pseudoscience." So real quick, before I get into her analysis of this, I'm going to read the first paragraph on Wikipedia about what pseudoscience is. Pseudoscience consists of statements, beliefs, or practices that claim to be both scientific and factual but are incompatible with the scientific method. Personal issues aside, I'm going to carry on reading. Pseudoscience is often characterized by contradictory, exaggerated, or unfalsifiable claims. Contradictory, exaggerated, or unfalsifiable claims. Remember this because none of these are part of simulation hypothesis. Reliance on confirmation bias rather than rigorous attempts at refutation. Lack of openness to evaluation by other experts. Absence of systematic practices when developing hypotheses, and continued adherence long after the pseudoscientific hypotheses have been experimentally discredited. So if they've been experimentally discredited, they're not unfalsifiable. So already we have problems just in the concept of pseudoscience, right? But anyway, let's get to keeping that in mind, that we want to look for contradictions, we want to look for exaggerations, and we want to look for unfalsifiable claims. Now, I'll let her speak. Let's see. Let's check the volume real quick. Yeah, that should do good.
But using a different underlying algorithm which the programmer is running. I don't think that's what Bostrom meant to do, but it's what he did. He implicitly claimed that it's easy to reproduce the foundations of physics with something else. But nobody presently knows how to reproduce general relativity and the standard model of particle physics from a computer algorithm running on some sort of machine.
So it sounds like we have a falsifiable claim here. Right? It's falsifiable. She's not pointing out that there's contradictions. She's not pointing out that there's exaggerations. She's pointing out that it's falsifiable. If it's falsifiable, but it's not contradictory or exaggerated, by our definition of pseudoscience, how does it count as pseudoscience? Maybe she'll enlighten us.
You can approximate the laws that we know with a computer simulation. We do this all the time. But if that was how nature actually worked, we could see the difference.
So, it's falsifiable.
Indeed, physicists have looked for signs that natural laws really proceed step by step, like in a computer code.
So...
But their search has come up empty-handed.
It's been falsified.
It's possible to tell the difference because attempts to algorithmically reproduce natural laws are usually incompatible with the symmetries of Einstein's theories of special and general relativity. I'll leave you a reference in the info below the video.
So it's not science, it's not pseudoscience, it's just wrong. What the hell?